Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech and finance questions and explain how things actually work without confusion, hype, or false promises. If you're trying to use orange money with Binance, you're definitely not alone. In 2026, thousands of users search every single month for ways to deposit, withdraw, or move funds between Orange Money and Binance, and most of them run into outdated tutorials, incomplete explanations, or methods that simply no longer work. So today, we're breaking down how Orange Money and Binance really interact in 2026, what is possible, what is not, and the safest, most realistic ways to use both platforms together without risking your funds. Understanding the Orange Money and Binance relationship. First, let's clear up the biggest point of confusion. As of 2026, Binance does not officially support direct linking of Orange Money as a wallet or bank account in most countries. You cannot add Orange Money directly inside Binance settings. You cannot withdraw directly from Binance to Orange Money by default. There is no official Connect Orange Money button. This is not a bug, and it's not an account issue. It's a limitation based on regional regulations, mobile money rules, and Binance's supported payment infrastructure. That said, this does not mean Orange Money can't be used at all. Method 1. Binance P2P trading using Orange Money. The most reliable, supported, and widely used method in 2026 is Binance P2P trading. Binance acts as an escrow platform. You trade crypto directly with other users. Orange Money is used as the payment method between users. Open Binance and go to the P2P section. Select Buy or Sell Crypto. Filter payment methods and choose Orange Money. Select a verified merchant with good ratings. Follow the payment instructions exactly. Confirm payment only after sending funds. Never move the transaction outside Binance chat. Avoid new or unverified sellers. This method supports both deposits and withdrawals, making it the best option for most Orange Money users. Method 2. Orange Money Visa Card, where available. In some regions, Orange Money offers a physical or virtual Visa debit card. Binance treats it like a standard debit card. Payments are deducted from your Orange Money balance. Usually supports crypto purchases only. Withdrawals back to Orange Money are not supported. Fees may be higher than P2P. This option is convenient for quick buys, but not ideal for long-term or frequent transactions. Method 3. Third-party payment services. Some users turn to external services that claim to connect Orange Money to Binance. Not officially supported by Binance, higher transaction fees, risk of scams, delays, or frozen funds. Only consider this method if P2P is unavailable in your country and you fully understand the risks involved. Common problems and misunderstandings. Many users believe something is wrong because Orange Money doesn't appear in Binance payment options. Withdrawal menus don't show mobile money. Card payments fail unexpectedly. These are not errors, but regional and platform limitations. Trying to link Orange Money as a bank account or switching accounts mid-transaction will almost always cause failures. Can you directly link Orange Money to Binance? No, direct wallet integration is not supported. Can you still use Orange Money with Binance? Yes, Binance P2P makes it fully usable in supported regions. When used correctly, P2P remains the most secure, flexible, and realistic solution for Orange Money users in 2026. If this guide helped you understand how Orange Money and Binance actually work together, give the video a like, subscribe to GigaBits, and turn on notifications. We break down what works, what doesn't, and how to avoid costly mistakes, so you don't have to learn the hard way. See you in the next one on GigaBits.